Hello engineers, Radhe Radhe. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So engineers, I am Upendra, and previous video I have already discussed about how many types of compare block instruction in PLC. So in this video today I am discussing about limit instruction in PLC. Limit instruction PLC में क्या होता है? So engineers, आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग जानेंगे एक्चुअली लिमिट इंस्ट्रक्शन कहाँ से आता है। वो मैंने आपको बताया, तो कंपेयर ब्लॉक में जाके देन यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट लिमिट इंस्ट्रक्शन। Here you have I have to make logic input counter and limit instruction and output. So I actually before starting this logic, I have made some content for you. So first of all, you have to watch, see that. After that, I have to come to RS Logic 500 English Communication Logic software. Firstly, I have to go to PDF, then I have to open it. What is limit test instruction in PLC? So पहली बात लिमिट टेस्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन LIM is what is the full form of LIM? The full form of LIM is limit test and limit. And what which type of limit test instruction see and its block in you have here is a image, and as you already see that LIM limit. So limit test, and here I have to this type of instruction limit test and low limit and test high limit. Actually low limit you have to put the lower value, means how to which type of low value is here, and test which type of instruction you have to test, and high limit which type higher value like a 20, एंड लो लिमिट में हम लोग स्मॉल लो वैल्यू डालते हैं। टेस्ट में हम जिस वैल्यू को काउंट करते हैं या टेस्ट करते हैं उसे डालते हैं। हाई लिमिट में हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि हायर वैल्यू को डालते हैं। द LIM also known as the limit test. LIM is also known as the limit test. So engineers, you have already know that is an instruction which will compare the SPI operand to two limits. Means compare the two limits. Compare two limits. Actually one other value and other value between 10 and 20 the output will be energized. I have to also perform this instruction in RS Logic 500 English software. Lower limit and high limit, and upper is lower limit and down bottom is high limit, and in the middle of it is a test value. Should the value be greater than and than the lower limit and less than the higher limit? Means value will be greater than, yeah, oh yeah, less than, greater than, yeah, less than, and lower limit and upper limit, higher limit. मैंने वैल्यू आपका लोअर लिमिट होनी चाहिए या अपर लिमिट में होनी चाहिए। So the instruction will set the output to true. After that, between the low limit and between high limit, the out instruction will set the output will be true. The output will be our output will be true. Use the limit instruction to test for value within or outside a specified range depending how you set the limit. Means ये आपके ऊपर निर्भर करता है कि आप लिमिट इंस्ट्रक्शन को how to put the addressing to it. The low limit test and high limit values can be word address, zero constraint, restricted the following or constraint to the following combination. Low limit test, high limit test, low limit test, high limit value can be word address. उसका एड्रेसिंग कैसे कंस्टेंट होनी चाहिए या किसी इंटीजर वैल्यू ले रहे हैं कि बाइनरी वैल्यू ले रहे हैं, ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। If the test parameter is a program constant, both the lower limit and high limit parameter must be word address. मीन्स इफ द पैरामीटर को आप टेस्ट करना चाह रहे हैं, लो लिमिट हाई लिमिट का जो पैरामीटर होता है वर्ड एड्रेस होता है, जो भी एड्रेस होगा दोनों का सेम ही होगा। मान लीजिए आप इंटीजर लिए हैं तो नीचे भी इंटीजर होनी चाहिए। If the test parameter is word address, the low limit and high limit parameters can be either a program constant or a word address. So same it is same matter. Both upper low limit and high limit value both are equal, and both are set to equal, and both are same. And which type of data types allowed for limit instruction? So engineers, let's see. The limit can be used to compare two values of identical. Actually, limit value is compared to values identical types. First and second, this value can be integer, double integer, float. That means int. What is the full form? Int integer. What is the full form? Dint double integer. Integer means 16-bit, double integer 32-bit. Or float. Float means real value. Float means real value. The value which shows the value in decimal form, like a 8.07. This is a float value. And integer value, you have may specify each operand to be integer type. Integer value, you have to put integer types operand, means operation. Float value, we may specify each operand to be float or real type. Means float value, the our operand will be in float, yeah, means or real. So engineers, I hope you understand what is limit instruction in PLC. So let's come to RS Logic 500 English, and then you have to see. Now I have to open RS Logic 500 English software. Here I have to delete all, delete it, delete it, delete it. And in first rung I have to select, go to select an XIC, and here I have to select SIC, and also here I have to select output and go to compare block. Then I have to select limit and go to timer and counter. I have to select counter. So by this, by the help of counter, I have to accumulate the value and test the value. Understand? By which instruction we have to set the limit instruction. बाई काउंटर यू हैव टू सेट द लिमिटेशन. आप काउंटर की मदद से आप लिमिट इंस्ट्रक्शन को सेट करेंगे. सो आप इस वीडियो में बने रहिए. So I have to put a input, double click on it, then I have to press, then select input, and go to counter. Then I have to select counter. Here I have to give addressing to counter, and मैंने इस काउंटर को एड्रेस दे दिया, एंड प्रीसेट इक्वल टू आई हैव टू पुट 10. आई हैव टू पुट 10. देन एक्यूमुलेटर इक्वल टू 0. देन लो लिमिट, एक्चुअली आई हैव टू पुट हियर 10. मैंने यहाँ 10 पुट किया, तो मैंने यहाँ से 4 डाल देता हूँ लो लिमिट टेस्ट में, एंड हाई लिमिट टेस्ट में मैं डाल देता हूँ 8. एक्चुअली यानी 10 है, तो 4 और 8 के बीच में आप मेरा वैल्यू आउटपुट आपका ग्लो रहेगा. आउटपुट क्या होगा? ग्लो रहेगा, और उसके बाद आपका आउटपुट ग्लो नहीं रहेगा. सो you actually I have to output, and then I have to give instruction to output here, read indication, then I have to leave it, then I have to test the, then go to counter and put the accumulator value to it, then read will be indicate, then you have to leave it. Actually I have to all give all parameters, then you have to verify file, verify project. You understand what I have to say? Go to download. Okay. Then communication. Who active? Go to Micrologics. Okay. No, it's wrong. Here I have to select PLC. Open. It will be right. Which type of 01? I have to put it. Okay. Okay. I have to cut it. Run test. Alt tab. Yeah. No. Offline. Download. Oh, now I have to come to remote program. Then here I have to go to run. Here I yes I have to select it, and after that I have to press toggle bit. So I have to open input, and here 0 and 1 for I have to give 1. Then output will be a counter will be count. Then I have to press 0, and I have to put it in here. You know that, and I have to give 1. Then output will be energized. It's 2 times. Then I have to give 1 once time. Output then I have to 0. Then 4 times. Then our output will be energized between 4. And here is a accumulator value. To accumulate the value, it means count the value. 0 is output will energize 0. Then 0. Go to 6. Then 1. Then 0. Then 1. Actually, it count equal to 8. After 8, it will be de-energized. After 8, it will be that I have to give 0. Then after 1, output will be de-energized, and our value is 9. Our value is 9. And I have to 0. Then 1. So engineers, I hope you understand what is the limit instruction in PLC and what is the function of it, how it's work. So I hope you understand. And by the help of counter, I also have to let's see what is the help of counter. Then I have to go offline, go offline, and here I have to TO and give instruction. Then T4 colon 0. Time base 1 second, preset equal to 30 second, and accumulator equal to 0. Here I have to give P4. Here I have to give 10. Here I have give to 20. Means it count the value from 10 to 20. And I have to verify file. Then go to download. Oh, then I have to go to run mode. And now I have to press toggle bit. Press toggle bit. It will be count. Here you have to see. When it reach 10, the output will be energized. After when it reach 20, the output will be de-energized. मीन्स आपका आउटपुट 10 और 20 के बीच में ऑन रहेगा. 20 21 जैसे आएगा वो आउटपुट आपका de-energized होगा. So engineers, I hope you understand what am I say. And after 30, done bit will be high. Done bit will be high. And I have to toggle bit press. Then once more times. Let's see. I have to 1. Put 1. Then it will count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. Output will energize, and it's accumulate the value here. As you already said, accumulate the value. And after 21, the output will be de-energized. So engineers, I hope you understand what is the use of tune, by the help of tune, by the help of counter, how to use limit instruction in PLC. You understand? So engineers, I hope you understand. And what is the concern? and then I have to go to limit instruction, then I have to press F1. And here are some important पॉइंट लिमिट टेस्ट एंड सेवन यानी इंटीजर वैल्यू टेस्ट किसको टेस्ट करना हाई लिमिट क्या रहना चाहिए यूज द लिमिट इंस्ट्रक्शन टू टेस्ट फॉर वैल्यू विद आउटसाइड स्पेसिफाइड रेंज डिपेंडिंग ऑन हाउ यू सेट द लिमिट लिमिट कैसे सेट करना एंटरिंग पैरामीटर डिपेंडिंग ऑन हाउ यू डिफाइन द टेस्ट पैरामीटर द लो एंड हाई लिमिट पैरामीटर्स कैन बी वर्ड एड्रेस और प्रोग्राम कंस्टेंट मीन्स वो आपका वर्ड एड्रेस हो सकता है और प्रोग्राम का कांस्टेंट वैल्यू भी हो सकता है कांस्टेंट वैल्यू 1 2 3 कांस्टेंट वर्ड लो लिमिट वर्ड एड्रेस कांस्टेंट है हाई लिमिट वर्ड एड्रेस कांस्टेंट है कांस्टेंट में रहेगा वर्ड एड्रेस हाँ वर्ड में रहेगा कांस्टेंट और वर्ड एड्रेस वो कांस्टेंट और वर्ड एड्रेस ट्रू और फॉल्स स्टेटस ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन इफ द लो लिमिट हैज अ वैल्यू इक्वल और लेस देन हाई लिमिट द इंस्ट्रक्शन इज टू मीन्स वो उसके 4 के बराबर रहेगा या 4 से अधिक रहेगा तो आपका आउटपुट इनरजाइज रहेगा और उससे कम होगा तो आउटपुट इनरजाइज नहीं रहेगा देन इट इज बिटवीन लिमिट्स और इज इक्वल टू आइदर लिमिट मीन्स वो आपको मैंने एग्जांपल में बताया था इफ द टेस्ट वैल्यू इज आउटसाइड द लिमिट द इंस्ट्रक्शन आउट मैंने उससे अधिक हो जाएगा या उसके बराबर रहेगा तो वो आपका आउटपुट उसके बराबर रहेगा तो आउटपुट ग्लो रहेगा उससे ओवर जाएगा तो आउटपुट लो फॉल्स हो जाएगा इफ द लो लिमिट है वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन हाई लिमिट द इंस्ट्रक्शन इज फॉल्स और देन टेस्ट द वैल्यू बिटवीन द लिमिट्स if the test value is equal to either limit or to the outside the limit the instruction is true मीन्स वही बात है मैंने आपको एग्जांपल इसका भी बताया था सो इंजीनियर्स आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एम आई से एंड व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ लिमिट इंस्ट्रक्शन इन पीएलसी and how does it work and by the help of a counter and timer I have to provide you all the basics of limit test instruction so engineer let's keep with us and you have to not subscribe my channel you have to subscribe my channel to motivate and inspire me and next video on meq so engineers what is the full form of meq so you have to comment in the comment box radhe radhe